Good morning, all of you. Dear students, today we are going to see workbooks. As we have completed 5 chapters of your EVS second subject. So, we are going to start now workbook. 2 lessons we have completed. Now, open your workbook, page number 17. See, while learning, your workbook and your mobile will be in front of you. Okay, simultaneously you have to see, you have to write it. Okay, as one by one I am going to explain answers. You have to you have to pause the video and you have to write it. Okay, so we will start. Open your workbooks, page number 17. See here, lesson number 3rd, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosles. Now here some important points are given in your workbook. You can see in the rectangle shape points to remember, like this icon is given. Here I have mentioned important points. I will read it, you will pay attention. Same points are mentioned in your workbook also. See, Nizam Shah and Adil Shah used the armies of the Maratha Sardars in their constant welfare. The most famous among the Sardars in the courts of Nizam Shah and Adil Shah were Jadavs of Sindakhed, Nimbalkars of Phaltan, Ghorpades of Mudal, and Morej of Javdi, and Bhosles of Verud. They received Jagirs and considered themselves as Raja. D point. Babaji Raje Bhosle was a Patil of Verud village. His sons Maloji and Vithoji caught the attention of Malik Ambar, the Wazir of Nizam Shah. Nizam Shah conferred the Jagirs of Pune and Supe on Maloji Raje. Maloji Raje restored the temple of Grushneshwar near Verud. This question was also asked in examination, that who restored the temple of Grushneshwar. So what was the answer? Maloji Raje restored the temple of Grushneshwar, which was near the Verud. Shahaji Raje and Sharifji were the sons of Maloji Raje. Shahaji Raje Bhosle inherited the Jagir of his father. He was married to Jizabai, the daughter of Lakujirao Jadhav. Shahaji Raje and Malik Ambar defended Ahmednagar. Antagonism with Malik Ambar led to Shahaji Raje joining the court of Adil Shah, who honored him with the title Sarlashkar. Shahaji Raje was honored with the title Sarlashkar. Then, after the death of Malik Ambar and on the appeal of mother of Nizam Shah, Shahaji Raje returned to Ahmednagar to save Nizam Shah against the Mughal aggression. Okay, like these important points are given. Now, see in your workbook what is given: summative evaluation, written practice. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. Okay, as you can see on the screen, fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. First question is, among the famous families, the dash of Verud showed the great bravery and enterprise. 3 options are there: More, Ghorpade and Bhosle. So what is the answer? Bhosle. As I have mentioned it, green. Among the famous families, the Bhosles of Verud showed great bravery and enterprise. Okay, so what the answer you have right there? Bhosle. Okay, one by one you have to copy in your workbook. Okay, you will pause the video and you will mention answers. Now second one, Babaji Raje Bhosle had 2 sons, Maloji and dash. So what is the answer? Vithoji. Babaji Raje had 2 sons, Maloji and Vithoji, as we have read. Then third one, dash was a capable wazir of Nizam Shah. Dash was a capable wazir of Nizam Shah. So who was wazir of Nizam Shah? Malik Ambar. Very good. And Fateh Khan was his son. Malik Ambar's son, Fateh Khan. Okay. Now, question number 2. It is also on the same page, page number 17. See, Dadash was killed in a battle at Indapur. Who was killed in the battle of Indapur? Maloji Raje. Maloji Raje was killed in the battle of Indapur. Then Shahaji got the title of Sarlashkar from Dadash. Shahaji got the title of Sarlashkar from, answer is here, Adil Shah of Bijapur. Then third one, the Mughal emperor attacked the kingdom of Dadash. So answer is Nizam Shah. The Mughal emperor attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shah. And fourth question, Jizabai was the daughter of Dadash of Sindhkhed. Whose daughter was Jizabai? Jizabai was daughter of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav. Very good. Now turn your page, page number 18. See, question number 3rd, match the pairs. Okay, match the pairs. See here, group A, answer, and group B. Like these 3 columns are given. What we have to do? We have to match group A and group B, and that answers we have to write in answers column. Now here place is not given sufficient, so what we have to do? We have to just mention their number. Okay, 1 to 5 numbers are there, so correct answer number we have to mention there. And in your workbook, if sufficient place will be there, you can write answer in wordles. Okay, see, so first one is Sindhkhed, Fulton, Javli and Mudal. Group B is given Nimbalkar, Ghorpade, Bhosle, More and Jadhav. So what is the answer of Sindhkhed? Sindhkhed, Jadhav. Jadhav belongs to Sindhkhed. So what you are going to write here? 5 number. Then B, Fulton. Fulton, Nimbalkar. Nimbalkar belongs to Fulton. So you are going to write here 1 number. Now C number, Javli. Javli belongs to More. So More you are going to write here 4 number. And now 1 question and 2 answers are remain. So see, Mudal, Ghorpade. Okay. Only what is remain here now? Bhosle. Okay. So who can tell me answer of Bhosle? Bhosle belongs to Verul. Very good. It is not given in workbook, just as a information I have asked you. Okay. So write down answers. Okay. Now question number 4. See. Write the relation between. Write the relations between. Here 4 questions are there. Maloji Raje, Vithoji Raje, Shahaji Raje, Lakhuji Rao Jadhav, Shahaji Raje, Sharifji, Babaji Raje, Vithoji Raje. Okay. So Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje, who are those? Brothers. So what you are going to mention here? Brothers. Shahaji Raje and Lakhuji Rao Jadhav. Who was Lakhuji Rao Jadhav? Father of Jizabai. And who was Shahaji Raje? Husband of Jizabai. So what is the relation in between these 2 people? Son-in-law and father-in-law. Shahaji Raje is son-in-law of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav, and Lakhuji Rao Jadhav is father-in-law of Shahaji Raje. So what is the answer? What you are going to mention here? Son-in-law and father-in-law. Here, second answer. Then Shahaji Raje and Sharifji. Shahaji Raje and Sharifji, these 2 are brothers. So what you are going to write here? Brothers. Babaji Raje and Vithoji Raje, father and son. Babaji Raje had 2 sons, Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. So this one, Vithoji Raje, is one of the son. So father and son. Understood? Now question number 5. Okay. See, as I am going very speedily because this one is video, it will take more time. Okay, but you are at home, you have more time, so you can pause the video and you can write the answers. Okay, but see video carefully, don't copy only answers. Okay, because while explaining, while giving answers, I am explaining also. Okay, so it will give you one revision. Now question number 5. See, select the correct alternative and write its serial number in the box against each of the following. So see here, one question is given, and for that question 4 options are there, and for that, from those 4 options you have to choose any one. Now, which Jagir was conferred on Maloji Raje by Nizam Shah? Which Jagir was conferred on Maloji Raje by Nizam Shah? What is the answer? Pune and Supe Parganas. Pune and Supe Parganas, because Bijapur it is not there, Kolhapur it is not there, Savantwadi it is not there. So what is the answer? Pune and Supe Parganas. Now second question. Who put up a strong resistance against the Mughals to defend Nizam Shah? Who put up a strong resistance against the Mughals to defend Nizam Shah? See, Shahaji Raje and Shivaji, Maloji Raje and Vithoji, Shahaji Raje and Malik Ambar, Vithoji and Lakhoji Rao. So what is the answer? See, strong resistance to the Mughals to defend Nizam Shah. Who was in Nizam Shahi? Shahaji Raje and Malik Ambar. So what is the answer? Shahaji Raje and Malik Ambar. Understand? Now question number 6. Are you tired? No. Very good. So we will complete question number 6 today. Remaining questions we are going to complete 2 mark. Okay. So see, write answers in one sentence each. Write answers in one sentence each. Who restored the temple of Krishneshwar to its original condition? Who restored the temple of Krishneshwar to its original condition? What is the answer? I have told you. Maloji Raje. Very good. 70% portion of question we have to take in answer, and then answer we have to write. So see here, what is the question is started by who. So we have to write your answer on the place of who. Maloji Raje Bhosle. And remaining question we have to copy as it is. See, Maloji Raje Bhosle restored the temple of Krishneshwar to its original condition. Understood? See, answering questions are very simple, because 70% portion we are getting from question only. Only 30% we have to write our own. Okay? So it's very simple. Now on the same page, second question is there. Which Jagir was bestowed upon Maloji Raje by Nizam Shah? Which Jagir was bestowed upon Maloji Raje by Nizam Shah? Just we have read. So Nizam Shah bestowed the Jagir of Pune and Supe Parganas on Maloji Raje. Understood? Third one. Who fought bravely to save Nizam Shahi? Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje fought bravely to save Nizam Shahi. Fourth question. With what title? I'll take it up. With what title did the Adil Shah honored Shahaji Raje? Answer is Adil Shah honored Shahaji Raje with the title of Sir Lashkar. What is the title? Sir Lashkar. Write it properly in proper handwriting without spelling mistake. Now fifth number. Why did Shahaji leave Adil Shahi and return to Nizam Shahi? See answer. Shahaji left Adil Shahi and returned to Nizam Shahi in response to the appeal made by Nizam Shah's mother to save Nizam Shahi. See, after the death of Malik Ambar, Fateh Khan was on his place, but Adil Shahi was in danger zone. So Shahaji left Adil Shah and returned to Nizam Shahi in the response to appeal made by Nizam Shah's mother. So Nizam Shah's mother appealed to Shahaji Raje to join again Nizam Shahi to save Nizam Shahi. So Shahaji Raje leave Adil Shahi and he returned to Nizam Shahi. Understand? So like this, here we have completed answer in one sentence. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Tomorrow we will meet again with the same session, same topic and remaining question answers. Okay. So thank you very much.